If you want to start selling digital products but have no idea what to create, this video is for you. I'm going to share with you 5 beginner-friendly digital products you can start selling today. You don't need a big audience, design skills, or a lot of experience. And stick around until the end because I will share with you what I would personally create if I had to start from zero. Hi, I'm Kat. I'm not a guru, I'm a guide. I'm building my own digital product side hustle. I've bought expensive courses, joined memberships, and made the mistakes. And I'm sharing what I'm learning with you for free. Let's get into it. The first digital product idea is baby shower invitation templates. These simple Canva templates are what parents can edit, print, or share online. Baby shower happens year-round, and this event means emotional spending. And this is why it works. You create it once, sell it forever, no inventory, no shipping. And it can be sold from $5 or more, depending on what you want to add to your bundle. You can add a welcome sign, a gift tags, diaper raffle, and baby shower games. People are emotionally invested in this event, which means they are willing to pay for something cute and polished. Think of themes like teddy bear, jungle, safari, floral, and more. And the best part is you don't need a huge audience. Platforms like Etsy already have traffic. The second digital product idea is activity sheets for kids. Think of coloring pages, matching games, puzzles, or tracing letters. And here's what most beginners don't realize. Black and white printables are actually popular. You don't need fancy illustrations. It's simple and simple sells. Parents or homeschool moms needs printables weekly. Marketing this product is also not hard, especially if you are a parent. You don't need to scream buy, buy, buy. You can easily market it by taking a short video of you doing the activities with your kids. You become proof you're not just selling a printable, you're selling this works, and that builds trust faster. Now let's move up in a price because some digital products you can start selling them small, but some can be sold in a higher price range. And this third digital product idea is wedding invitation suit bundle. Think of invitations, welcome signs, RSVP, details cards, and more. And weddings are high emotion, high budget events. People aren't looking for cheap, they are looking for polish. Instead of a $5 template, you can sell a full suit from $25 to $50. And why this works? It's a must-have purchase, it's not optional. And once you design one elegant theme, you can duplicate it across the whole suit. Same fonts, same aesthetic, same vibe. It's a higher price and high perceived value. But if you want a high season spikes, let's look into a summer planner for kids. Summer for parents are chaos. Parents want structures, they want calm. You're selling calm, and structured planners are very Canva friendly. Think of core charts, reading logs, goal trackers, screen-free time trackers, and more. You can sell this as a bundle and you can price it from $7 or more. You can update this product every year so you don't have to start from scratch. And seasonal products can spike hard if you time it correctly. Now, the fifth idea, this one is what I would build first because it is different. Kids affirmation cards, printable affirmation cards with messages like I am brave, I am kind, I am loved, I am capable of doing all things. This is different because it's emotional, it's not just functional. And why this is powerful? Emotional products build strong brands fast. Parents don't just buy paper, they buy identity, they buy confidence. Then they buy bonding moments. Parents care deeply about their child's confidence and mindset. This is such a strong product because of the high emotional value, low design complexity, evergreen product, and easy to bundle. You can create a kid set, a mom or dad, or a family affirmations bundle. And suddenly your product is not just a printable paper, it is identity building. And this is why this stands out for me. And marketing would be simple. A short reel of you reading the affirmation card to your kid, a bonding moment with them, some emotional transformation, and so many angles. This isn't just paper, it's identity building. And that's what makes it powerful. Now, if you're thinking, okay, Kat, how do I actually make this? In my next video, I'm going to show you step by step through how to create these digital products in Canva. And I'll show you how exactly I designed these affirmation cards and one more digital product from this list. No gatekeeping, no expensive courses, just practical steps. And if you want to build this alongside me, please subscribe. And if you're serious about building a digital product side hustle, follow this channel. I am not here to sell you hype. I'm not here to sell you expensive courses. I'm here to build something real. I'll show you exactly how I'm doing it. Don't need to be a guru. You just need to start, and start simple. See you in the next video.